getting tested, guys. Amana, kana kungozichemba zvingotestwawo man. First phase done. Saka mero ma results. But ndematama man ndingazongodzira fane. Your boys is Rockstar getting tested. Get tested challenge. Do challenge me some test.
Yeah, over.
First name?
Alexander. Anything? Alexander Gusha. Gusha. Gusha, exactly.
Address?
Home address 8. No, 16-8. I'm in a very committed relationship.
Okay.
8th Street, Melbourne.
Date of birth?
24. 11, 8.
How old are you?
I'm 28, 29, I think. I guess. Asanda Chembira, man. Don't worry the good looks. I'm 21. To you all beautiful ladies out there, I'm 21.
Test or retest?
It's about, I think, about the 6th or something.
Okay.
I mean, it looks like mine. You really have to get tested regularly.
After next year.
Yearly, yeah.
Come on, the next age is actually developing that slow.
76069. Okay,
Where's your guys' sanitary thing? So I can put the cotton. So yeah, we're out here getting tested. I had to walk you guys through the whole process because no one got true by easy. So how long will it take before I get my results?
right now, right away.
So what if let's just say I'm positive?
You come to the clinic so that we start you.
So you can't even stop me now if I'm.
No, don't have.
So these guys can't stop me now if I'm actually. They'll just let me go hang myself and drink there. So hey, I'm encouraging every young person out there, go vote, come get tested, and let's build a better Zimbabwe for this country, man.
Can I come in now?
Just wait a bit.
No, because it's jumps in front of
You're
me.
coming after him.
So zvine chirula mukati
Aiwa, ndechekuno.
saka kuma results zangu.
There's your results.
Oh my, don't worry about it. So guys, it seems like I haven't been doing raw sex a lot. So shout out to Carex, shout out to Partida Plus, and shout out to all the faithful, fabulous mommies out there. Just go test it and I'm good. Where do I sign?
Squeeze it.
You don't sign anywhere.